Hey guys, welcome back to Zone 2 Garage. Today we're going to be installing these LED interior bulbs. Alright, the tools you're going to need today is going to be a flat screwdriver like pick, and we're going to be going ahead and we're going to change out 1, 2, and then the rear bulb also in the back of the dome. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump in and get started. So when you look up at this light, guys, you're going to see like a little tab that's right here where you see you can fit a screwdriver right about here. Alright, I'm going to show it to you a little bit better when we get it out. You just want to pop it out like that. Move your screwdriver to the other side and pop it down. Okay, you just want to be very gentle with it. These are plastic parts. So you're just going to pop it. It's actually going to go back and then down. You just want to be very gentle with it. Back and then down. Oh. Don't want to scratch anything. There we go. We got one side out. Then we're just going to pop the other side. You see how we pop that out, guys? I'll give you a better look in a second. Oh. A little sun case action there. And do your best not to scratch anything, guys. Once you get it out, this back part is just held on by a tab that you just want to ever so slightly pop off. So we're going to get our screwdriver right up in here. It seems to be wedged a little bit. There we go. So there we go. See, guys, this is how it's designed. This is what it hinges on, so you can press it on and off. So you want to pop that off, and you see how these clips are. So once you want to be very careful when you're popping it off. You see we did get a little bit of scarring on here, but I mean, what are you going to do about it now? You know, just be as careful as you can be. Alright, so mind you, notice we have our lights set to off, so we don't have any power going. We're literally just going to go ahead and pop this backwards and pull that out. So you're going to pull this back and out. Take your old one, put it down. Now we're going to take our nice new canvas LED, and we're just going to pop it into place. Just like that. Bomb. Test it. We'll go ahead and shut it off. Now to pop our cover back in, we're going to go ahead and go like this. Get the backs on. We're just going to slide, sorry, not the back. We're going to go with the front first. And we're going to make sure that clips in. Then the back, we're just going to pop up. That's it, guys. Oh, there we go. You'll feel it snap in. Very gentle, guys. Very, very gentle. We don't want to crack anything. Let's go ahead and pop out this side real quick before we move to the back.
The other pick or?
Nah, this one seems to be working good. Let's get that down. Whoa. Oh, turn off. Just one side out. There we go. Just like that. Oh, you see, guys, you just got to be very patient and just work it out, and it'll come. Oh, drop my tool. Drop the tool between the seat. There we go. Got it back. Alright, so let's just pop this boy off. Ever so gently, just like that. Go ahead and grab our bulb out. Once again, guys, this is a delicate job, so you want to make sure and take your time. Boom. Now we have to make sure that's facing downward. Let's get our cover. Go front first. Bomb. Test function. Alrighty, guys, let's go ahead and rotate to the back. Alrighty. So we're gonna turn it off. And we see our back cover has a little tab right here. We're just gonna slide it forward. You see, just like that, the back one just pops off. And we have the same style bulb. We're gonna pull our tab, just drop that out. Ooh, that boy was hot. Let's go ahead and get our LED out. And remember guys, you want this thing to fit, to pop in to the LED there, just like that. And then angle her down, let's give her a test, and we're good. Pop our cover back on. We'll go with the front first. Bomb. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Catch us on the next videos. Have a good one.